2005 Chevy Equinox, part 5 with the low power limp mode. Some of you asked to see the codes, so let's go take a look. So I cleared out the codes, drove it around for a while, and this is the only code we have now. A random multiple cylinder misfire detected. So of course that makes you think spark, but apparently the coils, the leads, and the plugs were replaced. And it's a misfire code that covers all of the cylinders as opposed to one. So I kind of get the feeling that it might be another vacuum issue. But what do you guys think?